ye pamacho eni die kwanso eni ema bia moye mani guga na enimu ase no I think sanka by now huna jai ti sabe ya tam kinta ya printe ade gum ya ye tro return na se rutuario se rutonrio se rutorio se rotorio se atonrio se denyo ye ntimi an spell return one way di president echi call ye no so nti ye nyo bia ma na nhwa ade no at least a president be present am mind bi so nipa fofra na say president na mu a encha protocol for no wo ho no enti one edi president echi ko Jamaica nyina obiye ni ho hwe ade no ye assume say eh correct but president ye handle this you don't assume when it comes to the president. There's no assumption in the handling of the president. No. In himself mo call protocol in school near the catch them. There's no assumption when it comes to handling of any president under the sun. Shede we is Israel. Gan into and spell return. Ayo. You match be boy.
Major so capito.
Yeah, say.
Am I mistake one? You.
Sash no more the same. Papa no kumuno. Jamaica president ne kumuno. Return. O say, prime minister no. Bam.
Na RETURN no. And by an R in the betrato. Infantry woman.
There be also ayabako ayemino. Eyaka ho enye fine. Enye fine.
You, Capito.
No, you know.
And never to a man.
1 minute. It is 1 minute to pen.
It's important say adebia we the Bible say adebia we for ho den nyina no wadwen nyina no nipadua nyina ye na ye. But this clearly shows that they don't pay attention to details. What I say? If they pay attention to details and kasa basic idea we know, and can go back until we will beg your best room. Ministry of Tourism Ministry, no, they should set up. They should set up because they were in charge and they were supposed to make sure say I do in Nkobasa. Until Emame or TNG or Barbara, say you can do no Barbara or Ting. Onye na enemy hard one so but
I can because you buy man na
people dey so your boss
I don't know
people do your buy your be ma we make but you find say writing mistake sometimes you throw be to Facebook me tell true tipa into we uko can but maybe CB that level is so high
that level no
yeah it will be cut to check those things. This is why you are not doing well.
And you're fine.
And you
Abusha for the Ghanaian Times in Shasia na asamoa medesha asia no an da ha say ne katafa dunsia the Ghanaian Times mu was in Masha Bedwafo atonsa e dia free political science department University of Ghana Legon say wonu mu emra na hwehwemu a wo so ye na sese wo musuro san hwe ye be ma bia kofie no mu nyina mefa adwen e wo ho na wutie ensam wa mpanimfo no ka de a wo chese emrahye bedwa adwuma na se nipa ni nyina anhyeda nte ase nipa hu ni se jama wadwuma a woye no eno a ne floor of the house say bia wo bebi sa questions nko a na e wadwuma wo se da bi wo madwuma no committee adwuma wo ho no mo ye wo ebi so wo ho no ma ye shema mo mo koye ene ECOWAS parliament nyina agbom eti se wo se wo pese hu wadwuma wo ya aboye na wa mani nyina mu na bi a wo hwe se emahye badwani be na no edin de hin wo ba radio so a wa hwe ya be mistake
and the info when link it means about to I na me tell this argument I thought na me boso for me mpeni first we adwuma do so a
wo ye ni na
wa kwa parliament so
se bia woni house ho no mo ni asoma no
wa kwa committee meeting so we just setting allowance committee meeting so
yeah Captain.
What committee meeting so what?
Wamu ye adwuma.
There be who committee me sitting no bank on free yama allowance. So,
yeah.
Well, floor of the house, no. What castle so one castle, there. The yen didn't say amount MP's share of the common fund.
Yeah, no, I say.
And found in the door, ocean is a catch up and say on to Menji. The yen didn't say a quadrillion to Abama, want to say. Yamau MP's share of the common fund. No person, there be my young one idea, men from Monsa.
Most of the no, only the school fees, no, be
apart from National Health Insurance Authority, and my MPB 500 million. 84 years and only 200,000 Ghana cedis.
Unim, Captain,
and also no, says so, says soon. Yen who the other year again. So when him say committee sitting and Kwana Aqua Parliament Abaye, and the echo was Parliament in Kwana Abeko. Dear men can't let me say, men can't let me say, obey a quine.
And when I make us all more and a poem, if you say, Samusimu Yamra Shebedra for more Koshemra, none can be concentrated where Jumana Yadema Mono. Na ma'am pray for sa MPC common fund say ya the national health the ababe ka ho enti say sika no a waje no say nyampu ntudwuma no waje say wo de be ya de na wo de be ye ti wan ka so waje responsibility na to
president 2016 ye born constituency aseme no mka fa ho no mo say there
so nya hwe wo
I didn't say na MPC no mo ka bi na de duru mo so mo say me yanka.
Na self protection no mo hwehwe
when the MP 24 years project a one constituency will do 24 now say yan santo abama you be 20 yawo
hwe protection no mo hwehwe ne captain wo say na make can be say timing no cry you wrong wunim akakra na wo num ko abato so ama ya primaries ni wo a wo begina wo party mu na mo ko sa biri sa wo de sa debate ne ba betum eni se enye first time nie na kuku da mama free ma chebedwem captain bi ni Abraham Osedu muko iti mensa
Abraham Osedu
letu avoka ko Abraham Osedu ono ne de na unim se ne iti si describe no wo se ate se ne mo ko wo na leader no odi wo na nim no maye ku atia no yi na free
Abraham Osedu time o mutu no
wono kra ko
wo mo ye primary campaign
e philosophy yi ajapo mu nyina so mo ko
na onenam na Ghana soma no ono kura no yetu no afiwe next 2020 ombe ko bruta
2016 the captain unim ne esi ye leaders no boabo omo ho wo behwe na obi te se babin no wo se eche constituency no ye campaign ma no na eche mensa so ko na dolly kalio no won so ye enti so omo behwe ni omo nko contest ni ehwe
se omo say
yo mo keka ndie o Ghana for kra nyintu
ambeche voice ni
Ghana for nyintu so obeka say ebi mu aye institutional memories ebi no madane working encyclopedias nti omasua parliament adwuma ni
sebe JH mensa kura wawu
omo a omo ba first time no parliamentarians no mo esere obi ba de ose an na ye nkoto wonya bewura ho no mu wi ose an na e wose e protect omu a womudi ka ba ye na ese bia kotu akotre no omu so ba sa na omkan e wose e to aba wo benya seat evia wo say
the only chamia na me chair only chair
we're spending so much building the capacity of members of parliament. We've had 3 formal sessions with them, capacity building for all of them. They are coming up into next year. You remove them, another group comes in to go through the class 1, class 2 processes. What are we doing to ourselves as a country? And I thought if the institution was assessing us, you look at maybe the quality of debate, much against what we have been doing since 1993, there is a downward trend. What is occasioning that? That should be part of the assessment of an institution like the University of Ghana. So, distinguished colleagues, as I've said, as far as I'm concerned, is a useful beginning for all of us. But I think that they got the bearings wrong. But we should encourage them. We should not bastardize them. We should encourage them to lift the performance up into maybe next year or the years ahead, so that they will provide better service to Parliament and to the people of this country.
Honorable Sir Chairman, sir, I am Majority Leader, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs. Honorable Yatia Sepa. It's a very beautiful idea. So be a catch us a beautiful idea. And then I drink Chepa, Yatiba the Emfa.
No.
Yatiba the Emfa.
No. Muda Mon Coco insurance war, Nanipa no, Modemo Bay, so some experience Montuaso. Now, Captain Haruna Diana will move on. What I say 2016 on Bakwa Battle on Sono. MPP for Shebia, so the rolling time grow ye beer. Yem Fana, New Year, the MPP for Shebia say, coinsurance and co bar on mono. And come out and man may you corner one copper, Yama man and co. Sabrina parliamentarians no money or dear no more can say. Rollins time. Yeah, but the Twabana no more can be so protecting when the mad and cancer aka as the running meter. A concancer cabaye vice president. Ye bring no castle and the suit to Mutete. Na Obana na ye MP ewe kumfi area mo esachire esuisha ne nkan for na Obana na wo e konkasa aka party no Rollins as the then president sheda meet party leadership e ka tron say be ya ema aba parliament ni nyina no ye maintain wo especially one kasa mo party no ombotugu ye Tesani Kwame Nkrumah ye ma mi Lucieni no.
Ombotugu ye.
Na nka de emphasis ni bi ma wo mo.
Yentie haro.
A female MPs. If I have my way, none of the NDC female MPs will be subjected to parliamentary primaries. How I wish within democratic culture I could protect and support them. But more importantly, we need research on that. How do we encourage, protect, and increase female participation in our democracy? The answer, as I have heard him and heard myself, lies in amending the 1992 Constitution and making definite provisions to provide for proportional representation of women as a way of increasing it. We can decide that each region must nominate a woman to sit in parliament. It is done if you compare to Rwanda and other democracies. So we can look at.
And Honorable Haruna Idrisu, Nidia we could consider kakra. Women representation. No, Nidia we the about me. Yeah, bet me a consider because you bet me a consider kakra.
Omunyina will be
packing a chin to Woma, Upa boot say her. Obi to be.
Obi Uncle Captain, or Mudo, a Brenoison, or Mungo.
Nessa Asla, and then my man a contest. When they go to Abraham was said to do, you need to Natoshi, and they go to Papa, ya, Papa is and Canana come and yet and go here. She eat him and Sane a ye, eat better, bessin, eating 10 once, so that's why I. As I'm not just saying, and see what more dear drew more dear so dear. For the 10 cent fat, yeah, primary biome. Oh, when also, yeah, primary biome.
One acre.
MPB or Hobia Bessako Parliament.
One acre.
More Munimbra, I know Mobre. Munimbra Mobre.
Near one who know, on Baba Catcher say, and a Jumana Dio, and your bro, Nifano Sopeso Caho. And yet, the dear, Obia Betu of you. What's the Adraga? Also, one betu. That's what be Abetu of you, and will be to son Abetun. So we Babin. Babin, our no, what from 93, what's not so Abesin now. She Nipani be on Momokwa, who cry report out to Parliament to a toda ne ya. Who should Nipano as may no crana make a Juma Nipano yen on the floor of Parliament on a cuckoo co. And see where more dear no more carry. Sabrina say ye were the 3 wise men. Cletus Avoca, E.T. Mensa, Babin, no muti or musiti so, Ubo Machia, Wabenya, John Akolgotiamo, Sabrina can NDC side one more, never ye strong. As a Nipano, as I see as a woman cast out him say, as someone Nipan to 1 year, and son walk or MPP side, no one could will be to say Papa Uswan Kumamo. Or so ya some more debetu or Obeka, Abraham Mosedu, a bassa or Casa, or put it was somewhere, Papa Nube ya to womanina, so moko, or manco. But Monco, or Munya, or Motam son Beko.
Captain, I don't even understand, I don't subscribe to this. I had to say Bema. wo yiri wo mba wo fie but o show mo ba kwa bonten a wo yeshu
can be
ati se be ma otifi
wo yiri wo
mba
wo sika
o show mo o ko duma kra top money crown mo bi
do abonten a
no mo ntade atete school atade to atete ba do abonten a wo to a watch 5 million 2 million 2000 the check and you are as in fact I don't want to use the word useless but we shut down you bi sana ye kan now near what that big tree or the white tree the three wise men what
woman ka one
ebia enipa no wo womra se badwa fi ho no the way wo contribute ene ne no ma wo ye na parliament ho no ene ye di gina so aka che ne se enipa no eya ade ana sesei but on the grounds ho no esa na tie ana what I say on the grounds no constituents no do they benefit from the so called three wise men who voted for the three wise men? It is obviously my from parliament because they may be losing the so called big fishes in the house.
In fact, the quality of the
quality in the house doesn't have effect on the constituent. But you are not
would debate here.
Would debate here the two constituent in tables. Minimum PB and constituency super me and one
yet me issues no na yet me abua said be ko school between scholarship
captain
yet me debate
captain captain na say won koso amefo be gina tumon be gina tum wo munye no mo so mabre hwe young guys
it's not about before be can parliament
guys here ba na saying fa wo bi te say Elmina mi refini din
Elmina MP no
oh lawyer here me nipa ya me refini din
uni pa region
Kwamena what they
Kwamena be region be
central region I know here na no MPs no mo say kura so na to so mienu
futu afanyo market oh fantastic
na fa okuja to ablakwa nafa suhini Dwaso enne de hia nyabote ma me mbom de wia no abobode ma mbom de guys no tutu an ma ho fa me kire me bisa sa aboa bi
Anthony Cabo
hwe ebi mu ja me se ma nyama de hwe nipa ni bi wo ho no atim se omama chio wa omukọ won che yo ba from constituency eba djuma oye on the floor say ye NDC say ye people
that's the point
omu gina ho atumi say nipa no wasiesie no kwa de
sama ato forces former deputy
na be kire ye baby
and constituency one mo
nya na be kire ye baby
Collins Dauda say upa the minister na di MP na ka brofo wi ase na men ko
kantinka nya brofo bia no me say kantinka nya brofo bia no hono mo
216561216 Emrana mu 0302216561216562 but your MP on co primaries umpo besa to amano mo no asa ba
na man to aba no so
yeah aba no wana ka to asa wonto hello good morning
Captain Akome
nyame adu ebu sesa on me ya adwe wo ho yen chese ye
kita me hom wo nyina sorry celebrate me hom wa me puse chese that's almost the protection. This is the only time this is the only with the black time is special say incumbent and the other president yeah presume comment who puse che ya mamutumi a aya mo se dipa do tumi ma anyway faru kamane ka say akuya na me akuya me chia mu nyina mamutumi a aya o mo matumi no to mran fa so mo ma nipa ne nipa ska ne yepewu be nipa bu nipa be nipa she nungwa MP Okoboy but I didn't know the mom Okoboy de bia wo super jet man crofo because of him one man crofo na mo de mo gia no mata no omo promogadis na ye ye tu mugadis mo promogadis aye yes some were present call the whole Ghana mrashe no kwa o two times no ko enya MPs but omo nya adwuma swame e wo de wo ba bia wo sa wo hwa wo bet my mugabi aye mugabi edu primary sa ya da kira wo se tumi wo ha na tumi no omo nya adwuma no mo nja we onkwa ye da amafo di na be kanfo Captain, I am a trust now.
But we are there. We are young Copamis. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Captain.
I was just on the yard.
Oh, Captain, that's a challenge. We are not very much, challenge, boom, papa. Because me say me MP, Joseph was from I blame 120 MP. Me that tuning the yard crab and they are 2 about Captain. Papa, challenge your memoir. Hey, me too bad, and then you're not a bit more. Challenge ting. But we are back for a blame 120. We are on starting preparing on 1 year fast because MP there for 200 anything. Yeah, 2 about power. You done fine. Captain, challenge the memoir. Papa.
You're funny, Papa. As a minion support back crowd. Hello, good morning.
Captain.
Yes, brother.
Obama, you must who
did himself support me?
There be Captain support you.
Hey!
Captain, yes, some man and it's not bad. So, yes, some man private to join, because there's no way to make us no contest. There be no contest. I'll be fun for. As an own fit for what I say. Now, say, I feel where the MPs in the baby coffee. Obama, me just for you now.
Hey, Obama coming himself with the coming party. Hello?
Captain.
Yes, sir.
You didn't even Adom from second mayor. I'm going to be second. I'm bed anymore.
I could say so. The second, our Freddy, and naming your dream by force. What tells you?
Captain.
Yay.
And never do when your papa. Captain Blair, blow take your hand. I'll make a MP. 1,000. Hey, now Captain, I'm not okay. Me, I'm MP. Take your MP. Honorable Amedata. Me say, trouble. A big officer. Because Captain, I mean, you have a kind of MP ourselves. I don't say also maybe Faku. Take a blade blow and your companies are that will see. Now, Katiamon, yeah, I saw Katiamon. Mrs. Toba, Mrs. Captain, and I'm doing over there. And before me, transportation was dropping away. We are going to be a high parliament or one water. Oh, Mada, on the Amedata, oh, Mada, you almost a bit 2 more.
Hey. Mami Gina said, Captain Smart, stop what you are talking about and just wish me happy birthday and end the show and go home. Oh my God. Mami Gina do go wash man. Okay, happy birthday. Why? Was a goodbye, Nibi. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Mami Gio.
Captain.
Yes, sir.
We are all Canadians support you. Carlos, or a one-time MP.
Where?
Carlos.
Oh, there be MPs in there. No primaries.
Oh. There be a one-time MP.
Hey, there be. Hello?
Captain.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What do you say? Watch me, Casano. We are teacher, I'm your student. And to win, name your by force.
Captain, a bad thing, Captain said, we are MP. I'm not for an airport, especially like Elembele. Shade my boy, Quano. I got some called Luzu. Shade my boy, or lobby or fighting or ye be I'm going to come to say, tell my West Happy. MP, not a Sibetuna, or BSU. I was saying, I don't quite tune. I'm not putting the campaign piano. What because of your parliament duties or quite between Yama, Amuchano, not a Sibaye. Tell my pot. Our promises say, obviously, hospital, or obviously, I was a corner. Besides, somebody is you. Somebody is you. 8 years. Chip company, Crown Pamba. And I'm doing what I say. Don't bow my dear. You better do. Kiss your person of Saba. Oba, Obasari. Now, and this is not my way here. What I say because, yeah,
Meda Gabriela Inshra Ayivisian, happy birthday. Mr. Edward Kofisian, so we show happy birthday. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Ebushan say.
I'm not the one I was saying.
I'm Adom. What the oya madam for so them ya dream home.
Captain Baby. I'm a saman. The ship was it. A name. And then no one mean like. Oh, nothing na few ko.
Honorable name.
Honorable name. I was okay. Pokwase kwane basa fiti pokwase ko maira pokwase ko katapo basa osoro obaya man better to now opa faka be hwe ho faka so ba pokwase Maya Tokasi Katapo. Basta! Neso, that's where to be brave. And some of the Munako. Omuna, Munako, Musanimini, no blind, Muna, Amonco, Madame.
Hey. Hello?
Captain!
Jawasam. Jawasam, who himself won't support me.
Oh, are they?
The MPC and Twaba, no primaries.
Hey, Debbie, no problem, say. No problem, say. Obian Kobe Baba. And I can think a difference, you know. Na possible minister was what difference, you know. We are Juma Pa. That one was said. And I am more people who buy yen say, Debbie. Obakaya, Dr. Dukufu, Eko, Nini, and the Pomba. In St. Chinese Bessie. So Juma and the poor aid in the Parliament House. So Juma ordered the ministry. So no call is that I can think of. So Bafua. So Bablo think it's 6 o'clock. The minister, a Juma. What you here? Upon some more. And look to the more, moving some more. Me, as get it to this. May I put on the warning? My name is Jim and Kada. Many better contest. Many challenge because that's what I tell. And the money to my thing, with the someone, number the 4 trauma so, or a good deputy minister of energy, also bottom with no collaborate. We look at they were Kabum after 5. As first, they do quite hot here. And when to me, I'm before move come, Munyankamuno, no, Obibako, I'm Obiapa.
There be mean for Biabe, transfer Biama, Memia. There be mean for Kuala Biabe.
Captain, MPP for Nunim, say, I am whom. Ni I am whom, ni say, Sika Benny Penny be bottom. Sika Benny Penny be bottom. Young guys be or more money in your post. Say, bad primary sinister or more, quite more better Dawson. Or more, just say, well, more better to from Nintinia, yes, shall see any year, and say, ya, near man, dear good, as one I can see. And see.
Say to us, we are MP. Yes, a co parliamentar, you have a shembrati. Never much rain. Naji Yansu adventure. Nafa. Now, wako first term, wako second term. Who third term. Won't be my member, Bia, yes, you but me for my drink, my own fan coya. The internet says, John says, I'm at it.
Mention or more pass a bill. Our parliament. And any penny, you know,
about 15 be
15 no a doors, win him. Mammy, where you free one. Mammy, free more pie free one. Nammy be some say, oh, now why in the drew say a pass a bill? A man, dear. She was the only one. Ye do one I been so at all, and a man so W. for send also were free seats in so. A do one mobile or mother or be move or yen boy say, do one never do one obi, and Tim ran or no ya person on to one bet you move or no your statement.
All right.
I was a boss, MP, some engineers. Into more much come back. They are not engineers.
Okay, and all your campaign
they are lawmakers.
I take one to free zones channel. Free zones channel.
On one of free zones.
I catch or say, there were a man many be one more. My did you post a cash or Munjo on the
as I said, do one time Benjamin of
free zones channel.
Always show.
No problem. Free zones.
As I said, and I am happy birthday, Benjamin of Chiangra. So we show happy birthday.
Alternative for who? And to I am who?
Just
my captain said on a more serious note, and Sunday,
I don't know when I. Yafanusia. And now, if you had your coffee, send me the buy.
I'm a man, come as
the MPC debut. Oh,
Matis switch
on got no Mabush forever.
Ghana for 30 seconds. Oh, no worry.
But we are your primaries.
No problem.
And fancy her. Yeah,
Umbrano.
No. never told my sperm donation.
Boy.
And once him say, well, Bema, ubet me I could donate sperm. Now, and right, a co-production meeting, I brand to be PM, a friend of Joe Donor.
Joe Donor. International,
globally, on the lady.
Wow.
As of Enra.
Wow.
Now, the sperm now producing 111.
Wow.
Why are there power 111 only year?
Only year.
Only year on worry, only ba.
Why watch it?
Just said. What
dog bone?
What
dog bone?
Donate sperm,
why dog bone?
And that production between the place and all Australia, we feel Australia or cost reading.
Okay, will be
our March 24 where so donate sperm mom. Na almost to me him no more. I bet him second hand says, who donate say pew. The soccer 15,000. Then says, $3,000. I can send you a pew. 30,000, $6,000 US.
I can send in nature so when you see a phone one answer say.
The Bible say, Bibisa. Sperm no so can donate here, you check your IQ. You show what you check your IQ. Now, I share Mojana, what dear Moja name. And when I make can be crowd, they are able to do some, health calculation. To know say niama we dia call system no the next 10-15 years ya rebe na betimi ayeyo ene ade yin omo checking in answer ya
de bo atoso
ne de bo na atoso again
Ghana ha
emra wo ho say wo donate a akwada no twen ho
abrocha asem na kan ya na
said there me ka the sperm donation ho hyehyɛ na me ka kire we
Ghana ha
global instructions so
say but what don't say kratase so oba na wo tweama no family na wo tweama mo no te ase a say bia akola no betumi abehwe na ye de no bebrewa and so a different leg but majority they say wo twen sperm no wi a bye bye
exactly
okay Australia man bi so nyemma tika oni obrempo say aware na wontime nwa na adwo abanyima ma ho nti adwo anyima
eno no ye meme egg na adwa egg
ebetuma ye wo egg na sa adwa egg so do ntimi nye
because ebi won mo a ebetuma yi meme egg no na ene obrempon ne sperm ne de ama adwa
tini nyina na se onyimi wie na wo akwala no to ho 6 months not what they have shown them
exactly
on ekono yenyima na enran komo no na ebi
enye easy o
ebi ede
6 months a woni akwala na bonde no na o akoda na ma
say won breastfeeding no sa the man breastfeeding
then the other no ye wo na wonye no 6 months answer
won free baby face covering breastfeeding you cover your face and breastfeed the child
ye man hwa akwala
there be say akwala no mo ma me fon mo yenim na ya mo hwe na mama des day ye de no
lovely
o say me ma no ye nom no for say ne de sa kwa hase ne ye mia na ye humanim te sa no and na mama des day ye de no eti face covering breastfeeding by yen say the course no be enra
me na me bizans wa be na on no see obeka me so I was there I think last Monday about one friend was sending me a message on my phone
until what agree sir
oh yeah I've agreed and
no kwa dia horo treton ahodo miensa efi na me ba be ahoro miensa and ma try me no na me say no yet my omunyina ware minimum me data
woman ye na fofo na so no mo so your ex
ba ko ye me ex emiru ne de me be hia wo be bia me ye adwuma na ni kunu adwuma wo mo ye no wo mu gina eja ho be pray wo mu gina eja ho ntino ba ko ne de according to only say enyi
man bi na approach me no ebante na person me ne ye bi no onye but man pene enti offer me 50,000 but man ye later na say na ode no ho hyehyɛ me ati na ode ebe tudwa so say no person ye man na medicine and I'm sure no they are fine letting me about 10 minutes better there and here out enti me koye and no man 15,000 enti ono my men dey introduce ma obi for so my men dey to say ne ba na nyi ko be M6 or 7 fortunately no only me say me was tribal market is fortunate to be akwala no
and then said okay the akwala no hu no
oh me hu no
oba won chen
oba me chen but we are really one of my program Joy FM program so we met at Botanical Garden Hall
and no papa be friend me was met me aboni dey say a friend no adate pobi o say ono akwala donating sperm o Ghana how 15 years
so that's a chance ya che
o say ono akwada donating sperm Emma no oboni pakro din chere me ba me no de me mo 50 years
you do baby ya ma Bible na interpret Bible ya na bo akakara and say you share Bible mu ya baby o ho Bible say papa bia o fa ni Juda ede ne ba e ma baba wa bia o fa ni Tama na odene man no wa ho e na owu ye no Jewfo amamere no say me kwa ware na ma ho a e wo say na mi wu a e wo say me nia e be ware na yire no na o no nya yonkofa na o ne wo owu a na o de na to me say de be ya me din e be tena ase the first one no ewu ye no e na o de ne nia e ma no nia no ye na dwen say on donate on fast pay no e ma na on da ba ne wo said ye be ya wakwadan on uba or the atunia no Bible so nyame ankasa e ne kum no because o refuse say on produce ba e ma nia no Bible say whenever 2 or 3 shall agree. You see, anytime there is an agreement, there's nothing wrong with it. When you're going to make a say no, because Yami and the agreement and the agreement say, no, me hearing to me, and I say, me or problem Yaba, and she will be more than you was it, Yanko, you before Rubia, or however, to me, there's nothing wrong with it. But if you
I don't know, Apostle Amakon. Ata mama me kwa amano so na feminist sheikh Ishaq Nuyama or Islamic scholar and Dwaso Sheikh Assalamu alaikum
Alaikum salam
na bibia e boko de
tu konya ko pata roma boko boni biene
mo wadaroma sperm donation Islam opposition wo ho
yedin ka no on say Islamic law mono Quran any commissioning na kuti sama wode maye no eda esom no ho ene ne di tu anamo wo oba ne bema etwaka ho Islam sumu oba ene bema ehia no mo ngware ya oba ne bema ehia na se enye awaresem a ye frɛ no dwamamba enti emra da ho ne se ansana akwada be pie free oba mu aba be mana wo bihia na enkoye te se ya kyekere aware e wo mu mienu entem enti Quran 17 say mun twe mo hu free adwama ho efi se eyi ne ebie kwama bone akanyina minim se abakose mu no the first testing baby Obane Bema, Omoye, Australia, 1978. Side Communina, Beman and Jacotin, Munsu, Obanos, Yatin, Kusia, Nomia, Warifo. And you know the Islam of Washington, didn't say Bonivian. Now, after that, that's 78. Testing baby, and couldn't be about Beman, Omotin, Munsu. Tell you, Bikai. And when I call war, the friend of sperm bank, and member who's your bank, a war. And money be all or pemba, and so on. Indeed, no, no, cost our bank. Near the science you be a war. No one insane, now I walk according to papa. Why Islam some say, a Jamai a sea, Cherasa, any pan and who's your sperm bank. One Obana or Beji in Suno, our recent woman camp. And to her books to Kakara Yatronia, I deal with the fornication by proxy. Teresa, in Suno, your decision mind when you are no more in Suno, what the mind the Amano. It is a friend of fornication by proxy. And he named Kaman say, Obani Bema, our real woman Camudia, and yet Beman who's here, Bonibian. There was a Bema near Hall, and I don't know who's your come out bar, one in our Arabian Hodia, and you see, Islam some a gaman.
And you know, so we share baby, we are say a corner, any part of doa, a war we are seeing, we share United Nations, current population census, our Modia bar. Na May say I say wo fa bema ba ko agina ho a na wo de man 9 in the agina in chain se sa na te ampa ye be den the Bible so so ne Quran so aka say ye na ye nwo ne ye hya asase so mai wonum so atimi awu bi
almost at me ya say man na what o mo ware dodo the problem ni nyala say my one man one wife that's the problem one man one wife is a member o mutimi kuta wo mo ajama na o mo bo na o mo di say fie yeah Islam so mo dey any problem Islam ne kuta wi ata say me ne kia say me no ka say me yire ya nan ajama bi ani kron ya me pe yen ko ware ba ko na ko se ko na ba bi na me di and na ni mi ko se ko na bi se sa wo ko hotel one man one wife is the problem and the issue is that we say a traditional system oh Africa is polygamous and yet the monogamy I am more from the Roman Empire from the best say a minute Brahman need to be so and is a what can say a ma a doso a term dia and yes term no a solution our do and a solution
our do mum
yeah of course I would say a man doso that was say one of them
enti se koba ne se obi ye muslimi ni oba na ebia say ye ken wo yeremu fo ye a choice enye oba bia ne ba na one wo na wo hwem na wo yi enan out of the lot
you mean last one the one na so permit
wo yi miensa na last one the one na se opel
no I think na so me an opel
and I also tell say na wa no
oh yes
okay
ya kwara papa ro
yo enti saa miensa na wo hwem ye bia that time na wo yi miensa na saa ma na bi omumfie omadie omahofe na ebinim so wom won aka no wo ware fo wi a wontimi ware bi omu mo ware fo no wi a di aka na
me ma ka no me jira me yosofo me promote aware papa me boam rante mo ware papa because me chere dwaman and me e ma no ko na me yimu na ya atu na tin so an papa ko no yimu na se ne ko ya mi na chinchila ba ko no ene da ya fam no
eti our do no betimi ama dwaman bo afri ho
oh yes of course
we sure
oh master me a Christian for me ma for me me nanfo ama ware wako akwa sortie wako check how for better for what no mo nam no mo bo dwaman o mo ko ni o mo ko twem ko sesa university for kwara no mo ko golden to le Accra master I've confronted some of them before. Said yamu yan eni nyam sumo nko. Wo se ba ko tana ho. Abe do no yiri nyini kakra no no duru 50 wo 55. Oba na ya bro wo wura menopause. Afe na ho kyero. Wo so na na number saba.
Me hu mu de beyond the onduru wo de foi. Ne de ne ye 3. Ba ono so asa ko wo akire wa anya ne ho ade o.
Wo yare. On tia po so ya be no kan ka pole ko woro na dwene. On tia po. Therefore, who Bama Kra when you require some more German, now woman and son of Germania, then that person has a chronic mental sickness.
Mamma was a shake.
Yeah, let's say them
issue. We remember Asana Beka, Apostle Niabayana, why you been tea. Yedi na chesa komase
Captain you mean free man come as
me me you
only Pentecost ni bia ye bia me atuna say
na koyese
eda me kasa hu
na yebusan se na sese se yes dick
Pentecost ni bia ye bia me atuna say
entino yeah se abaya no watimi anyem
pente
o say wache 45 years wa bompa yesa Jesus bema kunu obema kunu sa
ekunu no ma
ekunu no watwe kunu na ma enti no ono wahwe kunu na mba no ene wakoya ade yibi wa anye bema na na okoje sperm no ena aja o de ye na watimi anyem kama yes boy
no matu na say sa
Right, Reverend Bishop Bosomtwe Ayensu Kano no Obuase. Se say there on cry. Jowulu. Bishop morning.
Ye jamura nana.
But you're not today.
But you're metaphor.
What are you? The issue of sperm donation ne wonsami. Bible kaden oye otie nyame ne nhyehyɛ ana yebotuma aye
Papa madase na pay me tia na etiefu ni nara oya sama ya kan papa ya wa word bi wo fan religious si yekedo obi ya religious sabio onchede oye Christian obi a udze embrebidu ya fan the person is religious odzimbra sabio odu baby a onfunu nkomusu na esenemu lempo odu baby a amana asomdwe na amana hoto nie de sabio tafeche udi Christ ni chirintu na ama oy religious nemum nankasa we shenda mepi wo kwa ama hwe na abakanda oy tsinini obotuma tsinini but not in line of Christ nti dami nyimpa no wo. But say about Christian Schumann Kasankasa, ya the Christ I and a banner near Sumada. Sabio Babu no so in China day, or there at the Obi Nubaja at the fruit Obi. So some part there Bujana da Frano, and now something is happening. Something is happening. Na CC ma Yaka Kakono, it can be debatable scientifically. Socially, what pido psychologically in the mepi wa ye pede get hase and fan ye tum ya condemn them donation our sperms ni given them obi onwo ba na so nye Christian na oye bibi foforo na okaje sperms ye issue biara. Christian kingdom has no issue with it because don't see many digital nor ye. See, you will be at the you will be more one some Christ. Was some as where you nimpebi, some of you and Fatuma or your Muslims or any BBA Christian and from many digital and in church, I don't know then, oh yeah. And to what a year Christian say, when church and it show, it shall see what the book of Leviticus, the donation of blood now. You see that it's not appropriate in the sight of the Lord or in the sight of Christ. And so, sir, I can't be Nibujai, not the full Bujaya, men shada man kada abujaman, but it is not right in the sight of God, the bed imagine. And so, a bana, about Unesimuno, or ye nimpana ordinate blood, no, and the spectromizing or ordinate sperm, never. Because Besia or the Neganaba, Nasa sperms number, Abafraba cannot be created out of it. Into the Martina Wayano, Obandama, Abafren in ye Ubinaba, or ye owo Papana Donatino, Woba. But the Martina Benso Ansana Wabayano, there's always some kind of agreement where your consent to be womb, be sent a Canado. Nese bisheno wukuna na so penodo ansa na bi do them wakodo na ono no mu no you find there how do I put it in a very funny way no spiritual jamanbo ya discuss nti me yanya ne dam na wakaye via abofo no manada o ya me donate ma spends no maba na so onto the meda na se bisheno onyim na we force them person was the manega and also sin papa we send there the person did not give his right mind to that process and the result now ushimaban and see your Christian summa generally no it's wrong now at the better so Christian summa no you're wrong no we term it as sin no two ways about that we term it as sin because as a Christian, we believe that what happened? Bible catch them there. Is anything too difficult for the Lord to do? My Bible don't catch them. Okay, be the chair Sarah. Okay, be the chair Aunt Elizabeth. And see, all these people are examples. And apart from them, Bible mean it will not be sure we are Dima. They have stories to tell. The subject when you know Christian. If you are a fibroid, we will operation, we will womb, but how can that happen? It's a miracle. and the mystery of the Lord. And the man so osi near the pardon idea near one discussion. There are many subjects. The American psychology, sociology, and all the logics plus religion. Near the argument. But before the eye of the Lord, it's not right. And once it's not right, it goes against the principles and the tenets of Christianity.
Eti se ikuna year water sada from Dubia anyo.
I'm from Doha.
Oh,
from Doha, so we Christian for that from Doha. It means you don't trust the Lord. And to man with the man for the year. I don't know Kofuna or Bible more Genesis now, we can see Kawano. They were doing it for their own glorification, not in the honor of God. See, ye bibi na dishi ya menyi miyama ujina. Na siye ne mfanshi ya menyi miyama ujina. Dama ye ken anda Ghana yeti ye bepi ewo ye bojamu. Ebi ohopa with the machine baye ihu. Within the next 10 years, dama ye ban baba. Ebi anempa ya me a design another way and dama bia at the age of 15 abobadam. And to dama ye ban is a seed already there in the person. And to occur the mama from mana. Fine. Now, so at the age of maybe 20, 25, 30, and the symptoms are all your madness and unity. Now, but you're not a friend. The Pona, every good, the might be Punimpan, everything and win. Or the spends now, Moko baby, every panic say, will. Eben I don't know, Eben Abadamner banner, which I feel no we. Eben, you be one of them. And all these things, should let us be wise enough. Say ye be to the man. Let's seek the face of the Lord. Say I miss man wa fine. When you meja obey jamon. Ya miss wa it's the 55 years upa. Ya meba mawo. It's the 60 years. Ya meba mawo. It's me and prayer. A Christian for the mother the man advice them all. But I want to win them offer and sacrifice one day. They can do their own thing because they have their beliefs. No, but Christ made no way. It's not acceptable. So, and Asabia will preach the Madino. No.
So when my member say maybe I maybe a question be a baby man. I'm a man who be when you're 52 years. Wow, twins.
That's right.
But me who Sarah the age be we are seeing wow.
Yeah, and who be. But it be an and say so. But let him tell you that I am possible. My Bible test is anything too hard. So you were Ghanaian, Obiu, myself being Yanada. It just be you want to be Nazi. Jesus, yeah, and Jesus catching him there. So you need to create him pa, Zoyan, Yabema Brodo. So what when you practice it? I matter of focus on the Lord. Not taking his principles and now someone catch a big JG. It is Ossi, yeah, you would dedicate, yes, be power, be pulling down on my physical be power. Or your troubles and now situation as today we call it challenges. The man that Mandamina at the one sassy, but I say we did the by depending on him, all these things will come out. Now you will be free. Until Sir Obiu, what we can ma asof bi wa Ghana, another will baby wa Africa, and the whole world no way and Jesus here now. This is also possible. And see, you want Mary and Sarah and Elizabeth, why didn't be there? God is capable. Yani yamin, mpede uncle, Nana smart. Yes, I said yamin answer son. If you haven't done son, it's subject to change and decay. But in yamin day, it's not. But what can not meet more than ni yani day on through day nimpo book the margin into nimpo one. Nimpo be wa. CCM Yokasi, they are over 100 plus years. They are still alive. If we be with the standard of Ghana CC, no none to pre-prima, or be the 50 years or the plan of the Nanto, Yakasi Pro, Sabio, Apache, and then the Nebubu, or 50 years, but it will be 100 plus years. Oh, Maggie, on the glasses. I mean, 100, not so much glasses. Into them out, it's God is capable. I believe it. Our God is able. And so when you make Christian free and fair, you have to them scientific issues now. They do say a boa, if you are Yawo, and my former woman, Sado, Damas Pamsia would do it, and Emperor Oban, 1 million case study. You stayed when you're moving up to 30 years, near from one life. Why, Papa? No, I'm sorry to say this. I'm very sorry. I'm not discouraging people when you're the mama friendly, but I want to monitor on pa.
Papa Mpocho, method is I am suspended be mojin to Sanida.
There will be a new sana.
There will be a bibia, what suspended Naz and Minim Sabia Moyabia method.
Oh, Mapa Maybe.
Okay. It is a young fan there. Ibi was sorry, Bessia, what 45 years, Sibiara more warren than our woo. Nasa Okoye Bia, able to Nasen.
Well, and worry. Be some of the why the uncle Pamba worry. That is Jaman Diden. Waran son of our back. Waran son of our back. Are you simple norma another valuer or in a system no more? They are the Christian something to impact the African for Sabio, since you be until mother would not know, just say what now back. So why this type of deal now made the 45 years being in camp but in Peba? No, it can't be possible. It is an answer now. It being a general Peba pray first for class 1 before you go to class 2. Class 1 be rather much so. The me be maybe subby to fracture. So you didn't put no you be in Cotinja, furniture may. Mamma, no on your mongo, Kakim Pa. A bomb pen, I say, or your minute car. I sometimes say, you know, you may, okay, yes, sir, not your Yasama you can, and I am Pabon will be no. You put my catcher, no. Mochanaka, it is no, totally, indefinitely. Oh, ma, I wouldn't put in what it be now by your bed at the situation. Until age 45, beginning so okay. Every partner was so pepping, I worry jay, and then the man ye walk, you're sensitive. Your Watson can and me pee. A budget that nephew be near a number from one oil shell. We man change be. I be a no so you musu. I be a no so you musu. Until a Christian in Kutinda depend on the Lord. It be no pope, not the book of heaven. Nobody knows. You pee what Yanama Warodo. You have the Bobayan. The way you treating now, one poor, that thing haven't put a burden of Bobayan. Into say the 45 years now, when a Bacachan Koshan used there, Papa 45 years, the Matri, may a Caribbean from up apartment and mixing, Nanaka Kawana Miniba, and say, one permum, Namunko Hospital were Tama. Now, what's the Madi or Honanka Kamanadi, Namuka, Dinamuba, Moban Permo, but I'll tell you that don't go there. Yaminara, say I miss India, I mean, Sabio, Yaminam Casada Coho. It be an earthquake, or the problems about any panny and never Adoma or Banete. Na a ban button with dream. Now, Benham Park, a bone pool, what sits on one of my middle pool and may dream. Is it possible? It's possible. It's possible. And so, Oma, Yanchini Razi, if you are not, you to me, I'll call. And call for one bath, if you were one you be your Ghana, you won't call for one womba. And so, what's Nancy will walk with the witch come or be so how I will buy, no so one yana share, no so where you nature call. Let's do all these studies and find out whether it's good, feasible, though they the Madiana. Of course, what you want to get. I don't know what they need to argue 10,000, what they need to argue 20,000, or they could kebab, or could baby, about one so. Sabi because I'm penny because I do not want to man big and what the one I papa. A whole lot of things. We have to consider all these things. And Sunny Akum, Mamma banning your self okay. I was said you are a toya. No.
But on say I'm fan the Mojana in your papa no won't be so on Jesus own to Mr. Son.
Oh, that one is the Sabio the French. And yet Jesus is sorry, I was a no. Uncle, a invitation. Yet Jesus is saying I was a son. Jesus said, the man outside, and the subject said, "Better fetch a fetchamo. You were prophets now, do what Ghana ha, what my prophecies, and to one Frencham, Ghana for one Frencham, into him, and my way over Takradi, and the prophets are the cookudemy, into one day video. I have a peer who agree to say a crusade and Sunday as I ever. Just hear your mouth crusade or subject a stadium near catching and one way you want from up man and money now from Bransana. Why don't you march to hospitals? And clear all these people fit. Why didn't we go there? An invitation at the same time when you have the desire. when to say Bible means go for pure Jesus one call, but they came to Jesus. If you want to one back, when I'm the fun of what they want to be Jesus walk, the way you ma, and to say, Sabio, wow, can be do. Nessa ako crusade be ako chapel be no man be no papa one more the history of your better. That's no, I do not accept it. But God forbid. Now a program if you were radio do a program the ya. I say I give myself to you, change my situation, the Lord will do it.
Okay.
By faith, the Lord will do it.
Papa Right Reverend Bishop Bosunchia into a Jolo. So penny a woman at the same. Yanko. Na me persofo bi no say a Christopher betimi aware tu ne train. Ma hunu de din no e maye fojo ye ho adwuma.
E wotie a ono so me ntene nka.
Sofo na sofo mpatwa nya wo amemfre. Enyawa memfre frasa number no me 0243 I'm fast number and to papa say wa pa chopa fre producer asan number no sisi 0243 571 744 eyewa papa Bondi na phrase say so for na say we Christian na ehwe no ne Islam dear no so ye dem 0243571744 and I say nya wan kofre
Bakabi answer yeah it's a good issue here pa antino panifon so kasa fine and things said you can Bishop Kayan it is correct and it's true say me so on say who stating it straight say sperm donation here dramambo no incorrect debatable because dramambo no
obi beda so
exactly it's sexual intercourse there should be an action sperm is a product of sex so you can't say will be the product of sex no the man with the act is not part no who classify no as sex what do I say. But me no to a larger extent no Leviticus 18 enna osima man o blood relative enna in future no you betim dia ba be kwa akoye bone ne say me ma donate me sperm ambobi me ka say me so ma ware mawo enna ma donate me sperm ambobi no so oba no so dia wo enti what if said that be me yemba no akwa shia saba na ya me sperm product na woni ne ko wo a oni ne koda it means mojafra ko so what you say oya me ba because me sperm and they make you as akwala no even though I agree say parents no na family no mfa no omo mfa ne mame but sa me ba me amato me pa wo no ene dia me sperm no e di mama me bi no ekohia future no mo kote hwi odom no mo koda modu mojafra Bible cassette ya. Je wana boni ni kofri no.
I'll be very sarcastic. I may have the answers, but I need to ask. I don't know. Nyakopon to me manin saying.
Oh, I want to manage. Never be. And there's
want to mean see no.
The decision. I was nyam ne choose mobi. The decision there. Enti so you donate blood and sperm na nkasa there. People believe say boni bambi me hu ne say boni.
Okay.
And I did back me bow. And I did back also say it's not natural way. I do. When I mean we I do no. But 2 years so and whatever sex position no ban be no be no.
It's a way of producing more Marys in the system.
No Mary one young firm sperms and one pan here. Mary's position. Mary there no there was no sperm donation.
No.
Was the Holy Spirit baba be butu so be butu so be any day. Butu so any day.
Oh one another. One another. Oh the so Holy Spirit be yeah. I ever almost say oh there.
Asem we there dice. Especially your more mutu say no.
Oh yeah.
Wa uncrofwa.
Quite dicey because
rational to be saying I be we will be mistake because
sir.
Oh yeah.
Nada na worry na akwenye.
Worry na akwenye say.
Worry o sama yem.
Obi ni nada. Are they punishing fornication or they are punishing pregnancy? You see, you should be circumspect. O punish fornication and now punish pregnancy.
Na then
the abaya ni atuna sen onu obi ko die. No.
Why no be anko?
No be na.
Na we dey.
Into on the basis of what?
Then a sperm the buy.
A woman or a man, we all can help prevent malaria by sleeping under insecticide treated net every night.